Originally, I come from like this really small town in Portugal, so it's just about like 5,000 people, and none of my friends were really into tech. So one thing that actually helped me in terms of like getting out of my shell and also becoming slightly better about how I felt about myself was actually joining a tech community. I think in this case was in Porto. Because I felt like not only did I have this like weird issue with mental health, but I was also like this really nerdy kid who wanted to do something that none of my friends thought it was like normal. They just thought I was a nerd. In retrospect, most of my friends were kind of dicks. But that took a while for me to understand because, you know, I was like 18. No, I was like 22 with the mind of an 18-year-old. So as I grew more into trying to follow this JavaScript trends and trying to do all of these things, I started joining these groups. And there is a sense of belonging. If you join a group and you hear people talking about these things that everyone told you they were nerdy and they were like something that you shouldn't really talk about during lunch, and they're like talking about it, and you feel this immense amount of belonging. You feel like you can finally be yourself. It's also addictive, which can also make you do 46 conferences in a year. But it's something that really helped my mental health to kind of leave my shell a little bit and be like, there's nothing wrong with me. I just like something that a lot of people don't. And it turns out I was really lucky. I think in the end, it's a really first world problem because it's like, oh, I'm sorry, you like programming, something that actually gives you a lot of money, but you felt kind of bad about it for a couple of months or years. I know that if I enjoyed something that didn't bring me any money, I would still be living with my mom. It's not that we didn't we didn't work hard to be where we are, but we're also very lucky to like something that is in demand. So to conclude, because I've strayed a little bit from the subject, it has really helped me to get to know people who were also in the same mind space that I was because it made me feel like I was less alone.